908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another video. This one is a different kind of video. Nah, not different kind of video. It's a jewelry review video. It's a grill by King Ice. You heard me? King Ice. Like, comment, subscribe, and before I get out of here and I forget, let's shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard? Like, comment, subscribe, promote if you can. Don't forget, we're trying to make it to that 2,000 so I can do that 2,000 giveaway. No matter how long it takes me, I'm not doing it before. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it right at 2,000 or maybe when it stabilizes at 2,000. You feel me? So promote your boy. This video is for King Ice. And without further ado, you know what I mean? Let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a piece from King Ice. Now I got a confession to make. I had this piece for a while, never worn it. Actually, like if y'all ever watch some of my videos, I buy a bunch of jewelry to presentate for YouTube or to wear personally, and then sometimes I forget that I even have it. So I've had this for several months, and I only wanted to confess that just to let you guys see you can get a good judgment for quality. I've probably had it, I don't want to say a year yet, but it could have been close to a year. I would give it 9 to 10 months, or maybe it might even been a year, but I only put that out there so when y'all look at this piece, if you should see any tarnish, I want to be fair to King Ice to say this piece has been sitting in this box for some time now, close to a year or about a year. So let's get with it. This is their logo, lion with a crown. Not bad at all. King Ice insignia in the front. You know what I mean? This is a grill, by the way. This is a grill. So let's open it up. It didn't come with any fancy schmancy cards and nothing like that, because all it was a grill. Now it comes with a plastic molding. I don't think this molding is too. I don't think these are one of the moldings you. I don't think, because it didn't come with any instructions, so I don't think this is one of those grills that you have to boil to fit to your teeth. This is just one of those pre-made grills. Bam, here you go. Got like, what do you call it, diamond cuts in the teeth, so there's no diamonds on it. You feel me? Let's look for any stamps. Let me know if y'all see any stamps. I don't think there's any stamps with this one, so this most likely might just be brass or stainless steel. This is from King Ice. Now this pre-made grill right here, if you stay to the end, I will give you visuals. As y'all know, I'm not the best grill guy, but I got this because at the time when I was interested in having grills and I didn't want to buy something too expensive, and I just wanted to try them out to see how it would look in them. My personal opinion, I'm not into them, and I think they probably make me look kind of silly, but that's my opinion. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. I don't care about your opinion, but let me know. You know what I'm saying? Would I look silly? Do you think I would look good? Whatever. So, anyway, this grill from King Ice was only a whopping $25 at the time, I believe it was. And then I had a discount because I'm sure I bought it around the holidays. And boom. So, $25 for this. It might have been a little cheaper because I'm sure I got it around the holidays or whatever, so it might have came down to like $17.50, or it might be even cheaper now. King Ice, what I like about them is, you know, I don't know what you guys feel about their quality, but they got a lot of good designs for not bad pricing. Chains, rings, all type of things, so you can't knock them, you know what I mean? Anywhere between $20 and $25 for this grill, man. I'm saying it's not bad. But let's get into it real quick. What I said in the beginning of the video. The quality, it's been sitting in this box for God knows how long, and you don't ever see no fading. You know what I'm saying? You might see some scratches, I don't know. But if you look inside the grill, you don't see no fading. It probably looks just as good as it did when I first bought it. You know what I'm saying? Got the diamond cuts in the teeth, you know what I mean? I don't know if y'all a big fan of this kind of design. Y'all let me know. But for it to be sitting inside the box and barely ever worn, or never worn rather, should I say, you know what I'm saying? It hasn't rusted, crusted, or changed colors. So King Ice, that is a good looks to your product and your production. That obviously your most of your products, or all of your products, can stand this test of time. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we're gonna weigh this thing, and at the end of the video, I will give you visuals on it. Sorry if I look silly, but it is what it is. You feel me? You heard, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? So let me know what y'all think about this. And once again, like I did with the other grills I've reviewed in the past, y'all let me know if pre-made grills are what it is, or do you think they're just good for the kids that like to wear grills? So, you know, like I said, I bought them just to see how I would look, you know, in grills, period, before I would buy some permanent grills or diamond grills or moissanite grills or silver grills or gold grills, you know what I mean? These were just like to give me an idea of like a precursor of how it would look or how I would feel with them on. I'm not the biggest fan of pre-made grills, but you know what I'm saying? If you wanted some to test out for a little while, you want to do a quick little flex to a party, or you want a nice costume, you know, for Halloween, or you know what I mean, whatever your flex is, whatever your reason is, go hit up King Ice, you know what I mean? King Ice, they got nice affordable grills, you know what I mean, for not bad of a price. If I'm not mistaken, this was between $21, $20, or $25, you know what I mean? The price will be up on the screen. So, you know what I mean? Go check out King Ice, man. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. I gotta commend them. Stay to the end so you can get visuals on how they look and how much it weighs. You know what I mean? Not much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. What's going on, guys? So what we got now, we're just weighing it. It comes in at 2 grams by itself. Let's do it again. Comes in at 2 grams. One more time, just to test it. Comes in at 2 grams. You feel me? Okay, guys, what I got for you right now is on the teeth, in the mouth. Sorry for being so evasive in my mouth. You feel me? Look, you know what I mean? This is a close-up look. Let me know what y'all think about pre-made grills. I mean, this is just at a distance look. Let me know what y'all think. I probably look silly, and I apologize. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.